get her mother a present. Oh no, what is Jenny going to do? What can Jenny buy for her mother? She runs to her piggy bank to count her coins. Jenny only has 27 cents. That is enough to buy a present, said Jenny. Maybe I can make her a present, thought Jenny. She ran to the crowd closet. What is the problem in the story? Paper, glue, glitter, and markers. She created the most beautiful bowl and card for her mother. Jenny also picked white flowers and put them in a pot. Her mother said it was the best. What would be a good title of the story?
Sige, kaya mag-spelling ta after. After mo mag-answer, mag-spelling. Kamu tulo, pag-memorize mo sa GMRC. Principal, lamian yung batasan. Sige. That's not our fault, Juan Francis, ha?
Magubog na ito, teacher.
Dukay na kaya na ko naghihatag. Ato pang kuha na ko naghihatag. Pagin mo nag-memorize. Pwede niyo kuha na. Mangalat pa no?
Answer ako sa number 4 na ko lang. Napa sa likod?
That's spelling. Sige, pagkuha na gid mo duwa. Memorize ka, Jens? Zero ka sa GMRC, ha? Ito mo, dili ko mo zero?
Hata niya kanina. Ganaan ang kanina. Magulang sa tuloy ko na sila. May ikaw ganit. So, wali mo magulang. Doon, magulang sila. Kung ako may pinatasan. Pinatasan to? Dawat, pinatasan.
Ay, hana mo doon. Mag-memorize ng duha.
Sure. Mo nilipot ang ulat sa banan.
Pakuha na. Gani-gani na. Gitabangan ka niya. Pakuha na siya sa imong verse. Pagsulat, Francis. Isulat para makamemorize ka. Pangitay pa maagi. Dili kay. Ako pa iperminti pangitay pa maagi. Saman mo mga senyorito? Gitagaan na gani mo ugpa na. Katapulan lang gid ninyo, ha? Oh. Shout out Romeo Samagi. What's that? Sino yan? Shout out Romeo Samagi.
Oh, number 4, what would your mother for Mother's Day?
Ay, hi Lucas.
Number 4, what would you like to give your mother for Mother's Day?
Lucas.
Isa rin ang